Okay, here we are, and this is Boss the dog. Say hi, Boss. Shake. Good boy. Hi, Boss. Back up. Glide. So that's Boss the dog. What we have here is we have your standard milk bone dog biscuit on this side, and we've got the Hubbard dog biscuit on this side. Pretty sizable piece, comparable. All right, now we'll see which one Boss Dog likes the best. So Boss is right there. We'll give him a sniff of the milk bone. Okay. Now we'll give him a sniff of the Hubbard biscuit. Okay. We put the Hubbard biscuit down here. And we put the milk bone down here. And we wait. And
Hold on.
we see which one he goes after first. All right, Boss. Oh, the Hubbard dog biscuit wins it.